Hi everyone! We decided to create this video to help explain a few small but important changes we hope to make to our branding schedule. As Brittany and I looked over the words we collected from readers about Debbie's books, we realized that all of these words didn't fit in the same category. For example, heartwarming and realistic are two very different adjectives. Heartwarming conjures mental pictures and associations. It's a feeling word. Realistic, however, is a tangible description. This is a realistic painting, or that was a realistic description. The word realistic doesn't naturally conjure mental pictures or feelings. Both words are, however, important. To help us make sense of this problem and how to address it, we turned to some helpful branding materials that Random House shared with us. In it, we learned about a tool that helps distinguish between categories of words and how the different categories can be useful. That tool is called a branding ladder. There are 3 steps in the branding ladder. Each successive step takes us a level deeper in understanding how our consumers interact with our brand. The first step is the brand benefit step. This step is where we as a brand decide what we want to make sure we deliver every time a consumer has an interaction with us. For example, perhaps we want to deliver a fun experience every time a consumer interacts with our brand. Fun would be a branding benefit word. The next step is the consumer benefit step. This step is where consumers can list tangible benefits from interactions with our brand. Note, this is not a feeling. This is something tangible that the consumer receives. For example, perhaps the consumer receives a mental escape every time they interact with us. And the third step is the emotional benefit step. This is the way consumers feel after interactions with DM Inc. For example, perhaps our consumer feels joyful after interactions with our brand. The 3 words are connected. If DM Inc. hopes to deliver a fun experience with every brand interaction, the consumer may receive a mental escape because of that fun experience, which in turn makes them feel joyful. So with these distinctions in mind, we would like to ask that you bring 1 word for each step to our next meeting. The words you choose do not have to be connected, but they can be if you would like.